Are you tired of using those cheap, flimsy earplugs that fall apart after just a few uses? The 7hz Dioko is here to change the game, but here's what surprised me. After digging deep into this product, I discovered some shocking truth about its performance, and I'm not sure if it's worth your hard-earned cash, /N. For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. But first, let me tell you, earplugs have come a long way since those cheap, flimsy ones. The 7hz Dioko promises high-fidelity sound and effective noise isolation with its advanced acoustic design. However, what I found out was that the actual performance of this product might not live up to those expectations, /N. Have you ever wondered if there's more to earplugs than just blocking out noise, /N? Let's take a closer look at what makes the 7hz Dioko tick. The product boasts of its high-quality materials, including aluminum and stainless steel, which are said to provide excellent durability. But how does it really hold up in real-world usage? Do these expensive earplugs deliver on their promises, /N? Is it worth shelling out a small fortune for something that might not even work, /N? According to the product's features list, the 7hz Dioko offers advanced acoustic design, high-fidelity sound reproduction, and effective noise isolation. That sounds great, but let's examine each of these claims in more detail, /N. What I want you to know is that there are far cheaper alternatives out there that seem to offer similar benefits, /N. The product description states that the 7hz Dioko uses advanced acoustic design to deliver high-fidelity sound reproduction. But what exactly does this mean, and how does it differ from other earplugs on the market, /N? Let me ask you, are you really getting what you pay for with this overpriced earplug, /N? It appears that the 7hz Dioko uses a combination of materials to achieve its acoustic design. The product includes aluminum and stainless steel components, which are said to provide excellent durability, /N. However, as I dug deeper, I found some concerning reviews about the product's build quality, /N. Several reviewers have reported issues with the earplug's durability, citing problems with the materials used in their construction. Some have even reported that the earplugs fall apart after just a few uses, /N. Is it really worth risking your hard-earned cash on something that might not last, /N? Now let's talk about noise isolation. The product description claims that the 7hz Dioko offers effective noise isolation, but how does it stack up against other earplugs on the market, /N? Have you ever experienced ear fatigue from using cheap earplugs that don't block out enough noise, /N? It seems that the 7hz Dioko uses a combination of materials to achieve its noise isolation. The product includes acoustic foam and mesh components, which are said to provide excellent sound blocking, /N. However, as I looked into it further, I found some mixed reviews about the product's effectiveness at blocking out noise, /N. Several reviewers have reported that the earplugs don't block out enough noise, leading to ear fatigue and discomfort. Others have reported issues with the earplug's fit, citing problems with getting a proper seal in their ears, /N. Is it really worth risking your hearing health on an overpriced product that might not work, /N? Now let's talk about the price of the 7hz Dioko. The product is certainly not cheap, with prices ranging from $50 to over $100 depending on the seller and any bundles or promotions, /N. But is it really worth shelling out that kind of cash for something that might not even work, /N? As I mentioned earlier, there are far cheaper alternatives out there that seem to offer similar benefits. So what sets the 7hz Dioko apart from these more affordable options, /N? Let me ask you, are you getting ripped off by this overpriced earplug, /N? In conclusion, while the 7hz Dioko promises high-fidelity sound and effective noise isolation, its actual performance may not live up to those expectations. With concerns about durability, build quality, and effectiveness at blocking out noise, I'm left wondering if it's really worth your hard-earned cash, /N. For the best price, click the link in the description, /N. As always, do your research and make an informed decision before shelling out your money on any product. And remember, there are far cheaper alternatives out there that may offer similar benefits without breaking the bank, /N. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.